The ex-wife of Randy singer Usher is asking officials to drain Georgia's largest lake, where her son was struck and killed by a jet ski 11 years ago. Fashion designer Tameka Foster has collected more than 3,000 signatures on an online petition to drain, clean, and restore Lake Lanier, a 44-mile-long reservoir northeast of Atlanta. Only when the massive lake is completely drained can officials safely remove hazardous material and implement improved safety measures at the lake to ensure the well-being of all individuals engaging in personal watercraft and recreational activities, Foster claimed. Her 11-year-old son Kyle Glover was floating on an inner tube in Lake Lanier in July 2012 when a jet ski driven by family friend Jeffrey Hubbard crashed into him.